All right, all right, all right. You just said you weren't ready for this. What are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing with my life.
What are you doing?
I'm ready.
You're
totally
ready?
I'm ready to do this.
Well, you guys are wearing some pretty fancy suits here. It looks like you're going skydiving today. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
Birthday.
Birthday skydiving. What a way to celebrate. You guys look fantastic. I know I look fantastic. Let's go have some fun. Here we go. Woohoo! Paparazzi shot.
wide-eyed.
All right, man. You just went skydiving. Tell me, how you feeling?
That was awesome.
Dude, you absolutely killed it.
I want to
Second jump.
It's gonna happen.
National Skydive Day 2024.
National Skydive Day.
Yeah, man. You're part of setting a record.
That's awesome.
World record.
Oh yeah. Thanks.
You
man.
absolutely killed it, man.
That was
Thank you so much for jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs.
Hell yeah.
Woo!